All currencies will be pegged to Bitcoin. Next on your 4-Minute Bitcoin. Today's show is from a post by the Daily Hodl staff and brought to you by Unchained Capital. Jeff Booth, author of The Price of Tomorrow, describes a scenario where Bitcoin will ascend and evolve to become the monetary king. Booth states that governments are going to make your cash worthless. Why do you think populations are rising up? They're after the protection of value from governmental policies that are destroying their currencies. Booth continued, it could happen in a number of different ways, but he thinks in the end game, currencies will be pegged to Bitcoin. Booth also explains that the progress of technology is inherently deflationary because of the way it creates efficiency and reduces prices. According to Booth, as technology is decreasing price, debt is trying to inflate it faster against the natural progress of technology. And what's that doing? It's pushing up assets like houses, stocks, and it's picking the pockets of a whole bunch of populations. So you can predict society breakdown out of what's happening. It's two giant forces competing against each other, and technology is going to win against money printing. Booth says that during World War II, people sold gold into their clothes to try to leave as refugees with something and would actually drown because of the gold in their clothing. So that becomes a less effective way to protect your wealth than today, where you can remember 10 words and move anywhere with your Bitcoin. So the portability alone of Bitcoin for safety reasons becomes paramount. It's a life raft. Booth highlights that history is on the gold bug side, but the future is moving so fast, it's highly likely that Bitcoin becomes the reserve currency of the world. So do you think Bitcoin will become the next world reserve currency? Please let me know your thoughts as always in the comments, and I appreciate your comments. This episode is brought to you by Unchained Capital, the world's premier Bitcoin native financial services company, delivering quality products and services for over 200,000 blocks. Visit their site at unchained-capital.com. I'm Gary Leland, the Bitcoin Boomer, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Bitcoin Show. This is a BitBlockBoom.com production.